Hello everybody, I sincerely give all glory to God for making it possible that we're here today. Well, I am making this video as an appeal to all of you, especially those who live in Qatar. I have developed a travel plan to be in Qatar for two reasons. One of those reasons is apparently to make my Shahada official. If you've been following my journey from the very start, you would realize how important I place traveling to Malaysia as part of my journey. It wasn't something that just came about as a result of my desire just to travel, because I understand that traveling requires huge investments in both accommodation and travel ticket. But for the purpose of this, of what is happening in Qatar, because when I heard that Dr. Zakir Naik is in Qatar, I was quite motivated. I have been trumpeting it from the very beginning that I would love to have my official Shahada with the man that had a tremendous impact in my journey. It was through watching Dr. Zakir Naik's videos that I came to learn more about Islam. Over all my videos, the most popular videos on my channel today is a video related to Dr. Zakir Naik. And that's the reason why I want to spend the moment with him, taking my Shahada as a gift, not just to him, but also to me. This is a dream that is lurking, or that I've been lurking in my mind for quite a while now. So I beg of you, if you're in Qatar or you live in Qatar, anywhere I can lay my head, I ask you to help me. If you can also help me in other ways, financially, or help me any ways, I urge you to reach out to me via my email handle on the description box. I'll be very, very happy if you do so. Thank you so much for listening. See you in Qatar.